Okay, so how to become a published author without wasting time or money? How to become a published author without making many of the same mistakes others have made? How to become a published author without the stress of research? How to become a published author without missing a single step? Because missing a step. Fall, get discouraged, want to give up on this writing thing that everybody already thinks is a hobby anyway. What you can learn, exactly where to go to get what you need, because I'm going to give it to you. If you took my Ground Zero Self-Published Author course, then you received a grand checklist, which is the blueprint, the master file that included every single step it takes to self-publish a book, and every single cent it will cost you. In that course, I call it this, this is where we determine who's in it, who can't handle it. Because I list everything in that course. Everything. How much time, how much money, right down to if you still write your manuscripts longhand, how much a pack of pencils is going to cost you. I leave no stone unturned because when you start this process, you need to know everything involved. We all have dreams. Dreams take faith. Dreams take hard work. Dreams take money. Dreams take money. And your book is a business, and building a business takes money. But we'll get to all that. Beyond the Basics of Self-Publishing guides you through each and every step by telling you exactly where you need to go to do what you need to do, and you won't have to Google, and again, take the chance of your intellectual property being intercepted by a third party, risking it all. What you will get, links and resources at your fingertips, cheat sheets, checklists, and tips, aka tidbits. I call them tidbits because to me they're just so yummy and delicious, so they're my little tidbits. And publishing information you didn't even know you needed because you don't know what you don't know. So how do you know what you need if you don't know you need it in the first place? Take that, Peter Piper.